Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am teaching you guys how to get this orange smoky eye that I did using my ABH Subculture Palette. I think I mentioned this as one of my favorite palettes from last year, but I'm showing you how to get a really simple look using some of the more fall toned colors in this palette. But before we get into the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss every time I upload a video for you guys. I upload 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And let's get into the tutorial, shall we? And this is it. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was really simple, really easy, and I really actually like it. I don't always go for orangey eyeshadows like this, but I really like this look. If you didn't do it already at the beginning of the video, be sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. That way I know you guys like seeing tutorials from me and I can do more of them in the future. And leave me down below your favorite fall eyeshadow palette as a comment because I want to know what everyone else likes to use during the fall. But that is it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!